Hey guys, what's up? This is Ron here. How you doing? Give you a quick wave. Anyways, this is a product video review for the Pitbull Platinum Pro, and usually when I do these reviews, if you take a look at my channel, it's pretty much just make money online products and like website design and how to get traffic and whatnot. This is one of those products where I really wanted to order it and promote it myself, but when I talked to these guys, they didn't respond back to me, and I'm really interested in this product. My dad bought the Bald Eagle. It worked pretty good. I tried it one time. It worked really well, and but it screwed up, and I think something to do with the power not working. So I wanted to order this product. I did my research on it. I read the reviews, some good, some bad. I wanted to take a chance with these guys and really go into this product and try it out. And I'm not making any affiliate commissions based on this product. I simply wanted to do it for the sake of doing it. And I wanted to upload this video to you guys so you can make an informed decision on if this product is right for you. I dropped quite a bit of money on this product here. I'll show you what it is. There it is right there. And yeah, just give me one sec. Let's open it up. It's almost $300. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me here. Yeah, there you go. All right. I've never filmed a video with my phone. Usually it's on my desktop. And yeah, I wanted to kind of, sorry for the camera shaking around here. There you go. Yeah, that's kind of messy, guys. My apologies for that. Anyways, so let's go here. This will be once again a quick video. I'm going to do a part two on when I actually use the product, but this right now is just to show you what it is. And I believe this is the little brush that came, and this is the actual product right there. So that's the unboxing. Let's take this on the ground. Let's put this on the ground. Let's open this up. It's kind of weird doing this to one hand. I ordered a thing a few years back and I got ripped off. I think it was a Kickstarter thing. It was supposed to be like a flow motion, it was called. And yeah, it didn't work too well. So let's see how I'm going to do this here. I want to cut myself, so this is going to be the brush here. That's my X-Acto knife. You guys are getting a little insight into how I do my stuff. So weird with the phone, though, I'll tell you that much. Anyways, things are falling on the ground. All right, so this is the brush. I think this is like I don't know, like maybe $7.99 or something like that. The Pitbull Platinum Pro was $2.99. I got 15% off because it was I think like a first time order, enter your email. So they put me on their mailing list, which is fine. I'm an email marketer. I'm a digital marketer slash inspiring entrepreneur. So I don't mind that. Anyways, let's open the product up here. Once again, sorry about the camera placement. Good thing I got my AirPods on. At least you guys can hear me properly. So, all right. So there it is. I'll let you take a look at that. Here's the back of the box here. Maybe I should put it that way. There you go. I want to open it. So, oh, there's the front right there. All right. Just give me one sec. I'm going to do it like this, maybe. All right. Hopefully, you guys can see me. What's up? Now I can hold it with both my hands. Hopefully, you guys can see that. I'm laying it against the box I just used. Much easier without having to hold the phone. All right, so we're gonna actually grab the phone again with my hand. I think we'll go back to doing that. So there you go. So a little shaving catalog there. So when you order the Pitbull Platinum Pro, you get the traveling case, I believe, and the product inside it, and I think you also get the rinsing stand. Pretty sure that's what it was. They're making this really hard for me. I'm gonna put the phone down again. All right. Oh, almost fell. This isn't the video I wanted to make, but this is raw and uncut, so why not do it? All right, just grab the phone again. There's the instructional manual. There's the case. Take a look around it. The zip. I'm gonna open it. All right. All right. So we open it up. There's where you would, I believe, put the product in this mesh there. You got a little plug-in with the USB, as you can see. Got the cable to plug in to the product and the USB side there for this bad boy right here. And here is the rinse stand, I believe. So that's what it looks like right there. Give you a little 360-degree turn on that. There you go. And then now for the final unveiling. Oh, there's a brush, sorry. Little brush. And I'm going to apologize once again for like the millionth time. So there's the bad boy right there. This is what I ordered. Oops. Show it to you guys. So it's got that little thing on it. Pitbull Platinum Pro. Took that thing, it fell down. Show you in the inside there. I'm actually gonna touch it. It feels really good actually. So it looks like quite the mess here. I'm gonna go back and show you the damage that I did with this unboxing, and you get to see my sink and all my necessary stuff that I brushed my teeth with, mouthwash, and all that other stuff. So anyways, that was the unboxing of the Pitbull Platinum Pro. My name is Ron. This is part one. Part two will be coming up shortly after, where I'm actually going to use the product on my head. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. Like I said, it's a bit messy, and I apologize once again for the camera placement. I had to hold it for the most part, and I got to lay it down on this box right here afterwards for a bit, which is a little bit better. So thank you very much, guys. Take care. Hopefully, you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for part two. See you later.